Alright, boys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an error page for your website. So what do I mean by this? I mean, if someone tries to go to some page that doesn't exist on your website or type something in wrong, instead of getting a default message, we're going to show them our custom error page. Alright, so it's really easy. Here's what we got to do. So like inside your hosting account, you want to open File Manager, and there's two files that we need to create. First one, alright, so once you're in File Manager, make sure you go into htdocs. That's where all your HTML stuff goes. Like we're going to be creating an htaccess file, but don't use this one. Just look at this. This one here says, do not edit this file. Create a new htaccess file in your htdocs directory. And then, okay. So that's what we're going to do. So they have their own default error pages. We're going to make our own. Right now, if I went to my website and I typed in some gibberish here, this is their default error page. And we don't want this infinity-free error page. We want our own error page. Alright, so here's what we do. You go to htdocs. Here's where you make a new file. So this is going to make a new file. And first we're going to make the web page that we want to show up. So let's call it, you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it 404.html. Or maybe I'll do this. Error 404. 404. Really doesn't matter. Make it make sense though. So here's my blank page. Now I already made up a page already. So let me copy this. Alright. So a couple things about that you need to know about for the error page, right? All the links on the error page have to be absolute. They can't be relative. That means you can't have something image/forest.jpg. You need to stick a slash in front of it. The slash means it'll start at the root folder. Alright? Of course that's commented out. So yeah, like here. It means it'll start at the beginning of the website. And otherwise, it's not going to work. Because you could come up here and you could type, fake folders. And then if it's a relative link, it'll try to find it from where it's at, which, is not going to work. So anyway, the gist of it, use a slash here. If you have a style sheet link, use a slash. Or like a direct from the HTTP, whatever. Images, slash. Alright? Okay. And, alright, so here's my page. I'm going to save it. It's 404. And now I'm going to close that. Now I'm going to make my htaccess file. So I come down here, new file, .htaccess, htaccess, .htaccess. That's it. Not .html, .htaccess, done. So here's this page. All right. Now on this page, this is kind of like some kind of special page. It's not an HTML page. Let's see. So here's what you type. All right. So we're gonna make one error catcher that'll find. It's gonna work for 404 errors. 404 errors are when the page is not found. That's what we're doing. So here's what it should look like. Make sure you capitalize everything exactly like this. So error, let me zoom in a bit. Document. So it's all one word, error document, 404. That tells us what error. And then this is the location of the file we want to use, 404.html. So the slash means in the root folder. There's that. If you ever need to add like a comment inside the htdocs, you just stick like a hashtag in front. Alright? Like that. Okay. so we are going to save that. And now let's test it. So over here, let's try, I'll just type gibberish. So this shouldn't work. And here's my error page. Alright, so for the error page, it's a good idea to always have a link back to the home page. So I made this Bigfoot character a link. So if I click on him, I go back to the home page. And then you should tell people like why they're seeing the page. Like 404 error over here. So they see it's an error. And you can be funny with it. So this is the page I made up. Okay, so we go back to the home page. And that's pretty much it. There's other error type of errors you can catch and show different pages if you want. But that is all there is to it.